Hey there, I'm Karina from New Future Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to upload an augmented reality ad to Facebook Ads Manager, and this will be able to be used as a Facebook ad creative. Okay, let's get started. So here is an example of an augmented reality ad that we created for a sunglasses company who's selling fun, heart-shaped sunglasses and wants the user to be able to try them on before purchase. This augmented reality ad allows the user to toggle between 3 different colors of sunglasses that the brand sells. These ads are super useful for brands who are selling a face-based product, like sunglasses companies or makeup brands, because they allow users to try on the product just by tapping on the ad, which will open the Facebook camera and allow users to sample your product. These ads aren't just for brands who are selling face-based products, and they can be used by any brand who's looking to provide their target audience with a memorable experience by immersing them in an on-brand interactive ad. These ads are super great because they're proven to drastically increase conversion and click-through rates. I'll link to a case study by Facebook down below. Okay, so how do we upload an augmented reality ad to Facebook Ads Manager? So to start, you're going to want to be logged in to a Facebook account that is the admin or AR manager of the desired Facebook business account. Then head on over to sparkar.facebook.com, which I'll link in the description down below. Now this is basically the augmented reality hub that allows you to access all of your effects, including effects that are just for fun and also Facebook ad effects. So once you're there, just hit Manage Effects in the top right-hand corner, and then hit Publish Effect in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll then be able to select between publishing an ad just for fun for your Facebook and Instagram pages for your followers to use, share, and enjoy, or publishing an augmented reality ad effect for Facebook ads. So hit the Publish Ad Effect button, and this will bring you to the Ad Effect application. It's important to note that all effects published through SparkAR are reviewed by Facebook to make sure that they meet the SparkAR guidelines, which I'll link down below. So the first step is to name your effect. For this purpose, we'll name our effect Heart Glasses. Next, upload your augmented reality effect file. If you don't have an effect, you can contact an agency like us at New Future Creative to create an effect for you to use for augmented reality ads. Make sure the owner of this effect is the desired Facebook business page that you want the ad effect to be published to be later found in Facebook Ads Manager. Permissions groups may or may not be available to you depending on whether you set them up. Basically what this means is that you can assign Facebook profiles to have access to your SparkAR Hub dashboard, which will allow them to upload effects on your behalf. This is done by assigning another Facebook profile as an AR manager for your SparkAR Hub account, and I'll link to a how-to guide in the description below on how to do that. Next, you're going to want to add some instructions for the reviewer who's going to be reviewing the effect. And this is basically just what the effect does. So for this purposes, we're going to say this effect allows the user to try on heart-shaped glasses and toggle between 3 different styles. The next step is to upload a video of someone using the effect for review by Facebook. It is important to note that this video needs to be unedited and taken directly from either the Facebook or Instagram cameras. Now double check all your information to make sure it's correct, hit save, and then hit submit. This will send the effect application to Facebook, which they will be able to review, and once it's approved, if it meets all their guidelines, it will be available in Facebook Ads Manager to be attached to an ad. Okay, so it's been about 5 days and now the ad has been approved by Facebook to be used as a Facebook Ads creative. So the time it takes to review effects is something that does fluctuate. It takes around 5 to 10 business days for them to be approved, sometimes sooner. So that's just something to keep in mind. Whether you're publishing an effect for fun or for ads, they will be subjected to a review. So now since this ad has been approved, we can navigate to Facebook Ads Manager using the same business account that we submitted the effect to, and we can choose Create New Campaign. For this ad, we'll select the conversions objective since we are selling a product with the ad. A brand awareness objective would also be a really great way to engage users and get them to know your brand through an interesting AR experience. So the campaign and the ad set levels don't need to change. So if you're using a defined objective or audiences that you're normally using for Facebook ads, that can stay the same. It's just going to be the actual ad that is going to be different. Okay, so here we are in the ad level. So most of the ad setup will be similar to like what you're normally doing for your business. It's just going to be within the ad setup feature where we're going to add the AR experience. So we're going to select create ad, single image or video, and then we're going to add a full screen mobile experience. So we can check that box beside instant experience, and then we're going to choose the AR experience template. So now we have like this pop-up that's saying add an AR experience. So this is where we're going to attach the effect that we uploaded from Spark AR Hub to the ad. So under effect, if you've uploaded everything correctly to the right business account and it's been approved, you should see the effect. So here we can select our heart glasses effect, and then the camera facing option basically means how is the camera going to open when the user taps on the creative. So because this is a face-based effect, we want it to open on the front camera. So the destination is essentially where you want people to go when they click on the link inside of your AR experience. So for like a sunglasses company that's selling these sunglasses, you'd want it to direct people to a product page so that they can check it out. So the call to action button will be inside of the AR experience once it opens, so we can use the shop now button, and then we can enter the website URL. For this purposes, we're just going to use our agency domain, newfuturecreative.com. So now that we've entered all of this information, we're going to want to preview the AR experience to make sure that everything looks good. So because we're on a computer right now, we can't preview it through our computer's camera, so we're going to need to hit preview on mobile. So the preview on mobile button is going to send a test link to the Facebook account that is the admin of the Facebook business page. So in that case, it is my personal Facebook profile. So to test this experience, you're going to want to open Facebook on your mobile phone and navigate to your notifications tab. And in the notifications tab, you should see a notification prompting you to test your mobile ad with the Facebook camera. So once you tap on the test link, it's going to open the ad in the Facebook camera, and this is exactly how your target audience would see the ad if they tapped on your Facebook ad and opened their own Facebook camera. So you can see that this ad allows users to toggle between different sunglasses styles and also has a Shop Now button, which would be linked to your product page as a call to action so that the user could directly check out what they see on their face. So now we're going to want to select an ad creative, and this ad creative should be something that prompts the user to open their Facebook camera by tapping on the ad. So this creative tells the user to tap to try on. So once you've uploaded your creative, you may notice that in the placements panel on the right-hand side, there are a lot of not available placements for the feeds, for stories, for this ad. This is because right now Facebook is testing augmented reality ads only on the Facebook newsfeed. We expect that Facebook will integrate augmented reality ads throughout its ecosystem later this year. So currently, augmented reality creatives are only available on the Facebook mobile newsfeed. So to get rid of all of these errors, you'll need to go back into your ad sets, uncheck automatic placements, and turn it onto manual placements. Then in manual placements, you'll want to make sure that the only option that is checked is the Facebook newsfeed. Now you can add everything that you normally would add to your ad, like primary text, a headline, description, and display link. Make sure that you add the text overlay that is appropriate for your ad. So in this case, the text overlay will be tap to try it on. Double check your ad and make sure everything is good to go. Make sure that you've tested your AR experience on your Facebook mobile camera and made sure that everything looks great. And now you're ready to publish your first augmented reality creative Facebook ad. Woo! And if you're a brand that's looking to have your own AR Instagram and Facebook effect developed for either for fun or for a Facebook ads creatives, you can contact us at New Future Creative and we'll be happy to connect. So I'll link a bunch of helpful resources in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel where we'll be posting the latest in niche social media marketing. Bye for now. Hope you learned something.